What's going on, everybody? Chad was C&M Collectibles here. Moving stuff, shuffling stuff here off camera. We've got this month the RC Explosion box. Limited batch version 4 by Filmington. I've seen this on a few other channels. I saw Joe Silver Jack Fi do one. I've seen a couple other guys do them, and I thought, you know what? Why is the earth round? And how is it that we all stay on this spinning globe? But then after that, I thought, wow, these hands really are fat. And then I thought, no, you know what? Let's open this up and see what we can get in one of these. Honestly, I haven't seen anybody really do too well. It's not like that's Filmington's fault, though. They are just random packs. And, you know, it is what it is, man. Which is like the worst statement ever. Of course it is what it is. If it wasn't what it was, what else would it be? Duh. Alright, we got peanuts. And we got that. We got a bunch of peanuts. And we got a bunch of packs. And peanuts. Packs and peanuts. Alright, peanuts, you're going off camera. I'm done with the... Okay. Start this way. Looks like they're in chronological order, so we'll just start newest to oldest. That's what you get right there. 82 BBCE authenticated. 93. It's like any other, it's unlike any other repack box in the marketplace due to its variety, quality, transparency, and rookies and Wookiees. There's no Wookiees in this, just rookies. This release contains one of each of the below. Hand-picked. All packs come directly from sealed boxes that were opened for the sole purpose of populating the RC Explosion boxes. All boxes have never been searched. 12 packs used are from hobby boxes, unless otherwise noted. There's also 1 in 6 chance of a special bonus pack. There you go. You can go to that website and purchase $58.99, $57.99 with a recurring monthly subscription. Please enjoy. Use the hashtag RCEB. Hash mark, hash brown, hash key rookies. There you go. We'll keep that list handy. Keep it back here. It's always nice to have a reminder. All right. 2018 update. We already know who's in that one. Soto, Acuna. What does it say here? Soto, Acuna, Ohtani. Ohtani had some earlier stuff, though. So, anyway, Charlie Blackmon, Wade LeBlanc, Mitch Moreland, Stephen Piscotty, Charlie Culberson, Lorenzo Cain, Don't Blink, Too Late, I just did, Daniel Gossett, Kenley Jansen, and Jesus Aguilar. Yes, I know it's Jesus Aguilar. Oh. Heritage High number 18. You know what? This thing's throwing me off. Go away. Fly away. You're messing with my head. I know who's in these. Tyler O'Neill, rookie. Tucker Barnhart, Blake Swihart, Trevor Williams, Now and Then, King Cole, Adam Ottavino, Adeni Echeverria, Hector Velazquez, and Luis Valbuena. So far, Chrome 2018. Looking for Soto, Acuna, David Robertson. Oh, hey, we got David Robertson. Sweet. We are victorious. Austin Hayes, rookie. And a Yuli Gurriel X-Fractor, or whatever. Chris Bryant. Okay. So far, still a big fat goose egg. 2018 Bowman. Got Juan Soto in this one. Cunha. Michael Conforto. Domo Arigato. Will Myers. Chris Archer. Nicky Delmonico rookie. Chance Adams. Hashmark. Vlad Jr. Paper. Will Smith, the Fresh Prince. Luis Robert. JoJo and Bobby. All right. 2017 Heritage Miners. This would have, I want a Pete Alonso autograph out of this, is what I want. We got a, that's an insert is what that is. That is the Baseball America insert. Andrew Stevenson, Brady Aiken, Dom Smith, Mickey Moniak, Baseball America, Juan Hillebeansman, Marcos Deplan, Taylor Clark, and Corbin Burns. Chrome from 2016. Let's see, who's in Chrome of 16? Oh, we got a blue refractor. Dustin Pedroia. Richie Schaefer, rookie. That's a refractor as well. And Byung-Ho Park, blue refractor. Man, a couple years ago, that would have been a nice card because he was really on a heater for a while. Nowadays, it's not worth a lot. 113 out of 150 there. A couple years ago, that would have been nice. Oh, there we go. 14 update. This is the Mookie pack. We're going to save the Mookie pack for last because I know there's a Mookie in there. 13 update. Let's see. That's is that Nolan Arenado? Can't remember who's in there. Chris Tillman is in there. That's who it is. That's who we were going for. Jordan Schaefer, Nick Tepish, rookie. Michael Trout. That's a nice looking card. All-Star game. Go ahead and sleeve that up, man. You just can't go wrong with a Trouty, you know? If Trout even looks at a baseball card, it's worth money. He could be like touching that card, and now that card's worth money. That card's worth money now because it touched Trout. Kipnis. Nick Franklin, something. Matt Harvey, franchise forerunners, and David Wright, neither of which are still there. Drake Britton and Mike Olt, rookie. Okay. Next up, 2004 Bowman. Who's that? Yadi Molina? Is that Yadi Molina's year? Marcus Giles. Well, these would be tough to grade. Anthony Acevedo. Ken Griffey Jr. Chris Mabius. Chris Mabius, first year gold. Jason Zeminski. Dustin Nippert. Esteban Loaiza. Name I haven't heard in a while. Alec Zumwalt. Adam Greenberg. And Mike Sweeney for the Royals. That's cool. Big Mike Sweeney fan. Named the last 4 All-Star games. That's because every team had to have a player, and he was the only one on the Royals that was worth a crap back then. Bowman Chrome 97. Let's see, that'd be Roy Halladay. Adrian Beltre, maybe? Eliezer Marrero also. I forgot about him. Not sure how. Brett Tomko. That's a cool card with the flag behind it. Mark Kotze, and Ryan Brannon. Okay. 93 Upper Deck Series 2. This is the Jeter. The one with Jeter in it. Jeets. And that is a brick. Alright. Kelly Gruber. No relation to Hans Gruber. I don't know who that is. That is Pat Lestache. Wow. Don Slott. These are nice. Brian Hickerson. It's like a relic, man. It's so thick. Steve Bedrosian. Kirk McCaskill. We'll try from this side. Rob Bolton. Diamond debuts. Blow up your mouth, dude. Brad Pennington, top prospect. See the white snowflaking there? That's from the cards sticking together, so even if you got a Jeter, probably and yes, I know you can stick it in the freezer or whatever. There's that's cool. Glavine, Maddox, Smoltz, and is that Steve Avery? Yeah. Reggie Jefferson, Jeff Blauser, Lloyd McClendon, Future Heroes, Juan Gonzalez. All right. Tony Fernandez. Wow, he looks really sad at that baseball. Like, oh, I missed you. This guy's like, hey, you must work out. Looks like Biggio there. Monty Ferris. Never really did much. Steve Bedrosian. All right. We are down to the 82 tops. I feel gum in here. Chasing the Cal Ripken in here. Hash Brown chasing Cal, and we're chasing that gum. And we're chasing Phil Niekro, who was being chased by Father Time. He's losing the battle. Jim Slayton, Bruce Kyson, Bob Boone, Chet Lemon, Alvis Woods, Johnny Grubb. You fought all the way, Johnny Grubb. Johnny Grubb. Steve Kemp, Gary Maddox, little blue thing, Joaquin Andujar, Don Ossie, Victory Leaders, Seaver, Denny, McCaddy, Morris, and Vukovic. Vukovic looks like Haywood from Major League. Bob Baylor, Scott Sanderson, Pat Underwood, and AO in action. All right, we are down to the Mookie pack. Time for the Mookster. Come on out, Mook. Come on out, Mook. Come on out and say hi to us, Mookie. I'll even go for a red foil, Mookie. That'll work. All right. This is 14 update. Steve Tollison, Yorvis Medina, Santiago Casilla, Jared Cosart, Carlos Gomez is the red foil poop. Kurt Suzuki, Sam Fold, Jorge Polanco, rookie, Yangervis Solarte, rookie, and Daniel Webb. You know, I like this design back here, man. You know, This is so much better than the current stuff. Look at the borders, man. I mean, it's just, that's a baseball card right there, man. You know, it looks so much better than, I don't know. Like, I don't know, I can't find, like, okay. Like, here's a Bowman, right? From this year. I mean, look at that. Compare the design, man. Look, this like off-center crap, like so busy. Want to be a computer program technical. That's a baseball card right there, man. Right there. Just my opinion. I don't care. Thumbs down me. I don't care. Whatever. Subscribe, unsubscribe. Tell a friend I suck. Whatever. I just like the baseball cards that look like baseball cards instead of some kind of computer-generated Pokemon. I don't know. Anyway. That's all I got. Thanks for joining me, guys. Pretty cool box overall. I think we're probably going to subscribe to that one too, because I just like, you know, opening the older packs and stuff with a chance at the rookies. Nice job there, Filmington, on that one. I like it. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate you checking it out. We'll see you guys next time. Remember, be good to each other.